Hey, Wagyu and triple grade AA. Which one is better? That's what we're gonna find out today. We're gonna trim these, we're gonna spice these, and we're gonna smoke these the same. And then at the end, we're going to have a taste test and determine which one is better. Okay, so I'm gonna start to trim him. Wagyu, triple grade A. Right off the bat, my opinion, this is nicer, the triple grade A. The fat's nicer. It's thicker down here. This is very thin. We're gonna have to cut a bit off that or it's just gonna burn up. And this one's got a nice thick fat, nice fat all over. This is bare in spots. It's very flimsy though, that's one good thing. This is pretty flimsy too. You turn it over, that side's nice. And you see, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll start trimming it up, you know, and then we'll spice it up and cook it. We'll see how it goes. Okay, time for the spices. Salt. Pepper. Garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Now what you want to do is work this into each brisket. Wagyu, triple grade A, they're wrapped. We're going to put them in the fridge for 1 hour, and then I'm going to leave them set at room temperature for an hour, and then we will smoke them. Okay, so these are ready to be unwrapped. They sit in the fridge for 1 hour, and they were at room temperature for an hour to let the salt absorb in and to take on some of the spices. We're ready to unwrap these and put them in the smoker at 220. Then we're going to smoke them to 160 and wrap them. I'm going to put a Thai 4 meat thermometer in each one and set the cook time up. That way it will notify me before they hit 160. So this one first is the triple grade A. Oh, the smell is beautiful when you unwrap them. Nice coat of pepper and salt and spices. We're gonna cook them. We'll cook these fat side up. Now for the Wagyu. Alright, so all the salt and pepper and spices have set up there nice. Letting it set for a little bit. So we'll take number one and we'll put it in a thick spot. Number two. Okay, so the briskets are up to temperature. The Wagyu is like 161 and triple grade A is only a few degrees behind. It's like 158. So we're gonna take them out. We're gonna take the Wagyu out. We're gonna wrap it up and put it back in and do the same to the triple grade A. So let's get them out and take a look at them. Got them back in the smoker on 220, same temperature. We got the meat thermometer in them and we're gonna let them go up to 203. Then we're gonna take them out, we're gonna assess them a bit, we'll leave them cool down, see what the difference is on the juice when we cut them, and then I'm gonna get a couple people to do a blind taste test. Okay, so the Wagyu brisket is up to temperature. I've taken it out. The triple grade A, that needs roughly another hour. So we'll let this cool down to 140 and then we're gonna cool it the rest of the way down in the cooler. And then we'll cut it and see what it looks like. All right, so the triple grade A brisket is up to temperature. and it's time to take it out. So we're gonna leave both of them cool down to close to 140, and just before they cool down to 140, we're gonna put them in a cooler and let them cool for a few more hours longer before we cut them. So let's take this one out. All right, so it's out. We're gonna cool it down to 140 and then put it in the cooler for a few more hours. And then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna do a taste test. Kind of excited. I wanna see which one tastes better. I am actually hoping the Wagyu in the cooler tastes better because it was double the price. Okay, the time has finally come to unwrap these and give these a cut. See what they look like. The Wagyu, it looks like it has a lot of juice. A lot more than triple grade A, but you know what? We're gonna find out which tastes better soon. So let's unwrap them. Do the Wagyu first. Okay, so we got the Wagyu unwrapped. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the juice. Huh. That's nice. All right, now for triple grade A. Oh yeah, this juice too. Beautiful. It's ready to fall apart. Right, so look. There you have it. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm excited. Oh, look at that. So we're gonna slice some pieces up. I'll put them on 2 separate plates, and I'm not gonna say which is which because that just will change the outcome, I believe. So it's better to not know what it is, and we'll have like probably 4 people trying to see which is gonna taste better here. Okay. So what I did is Wagyu, triple grade A. That way they don't know. So black plates Wagyu, blue plates triple grade A. My assessment, quick assessment, is this one. They look a little bit different. That one is a little lighter. This one's a bit darker. So first off for the taste test is my daughter Amber. Try and take your time to see if you can see a difference. Do they taste the same? Do they taste different?
They taste different.
Do they? Does one taste better than the other?
Give me a second. I like this one.
You like that one better? Is it moisture, or is there any difference in the tenderness of it too? Or is that about the same?
About the same.
Okay, but it tastes a little better. You picked the Wagyu. All right, so we're gonna do a taste test. We got Madison and Mallory. They don't know which is Wagyu or which is triple grade A's.
What are you going for first? This?
So what were you gonna say? What do you think?
I think this is the Wagyu.
Why is that?
Because it just looks different. Like I've seen you make brisket before.
Yeah,
and that's what it usually looks like.
It tastes really good.
There is a difference.
There's a difference?
That's way better. Not way better, but it's like the texture's better and it's juicier. Like this one's quite a bit drier compared to that.
This one has a lot more flavor than that one.
It's like smokier too. You can really taste the smokiness.
Oh really?
In it.
That's nice to know. That's
Yeah.
Wagyu.
This one
Is it?
is 100%. This one's so much better. I mean, it's
The look
still
is
good.
the look is better. Look at the ring and look at the
Like
meat.
you can so taste the
Texture's closer.
smokiness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got the answer out of the triple grade A and the Wagyu brisket. The Wagyu brisket won. Overall, the texture was better. The color was a bit better. It took on a bit more smoke. And the taste overall was a little bit better. Plus it was a little bit more juicy. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, smash the like, and we'll see you next time.